Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to wash my Facebook password on iPhone. I have two options for you, okay? Now, the first option is that if you maybe when you open your account for the first time, remember that? Maybe no, but if you open that account here, okay, for the first time, can you save your personal account in your iPhone? I don't know if you save or not, but check out, okay? Only check. Now scroll in your screen, and when you are here, write password and open this app and try to find your personal Facebook account or personal information, okay? If you save your account, you can find your account or your password here. This is the first option. Now the second option is your Google account. Maybe you save your account but in your PC or in another device and do not remember, you can check, okay? Only try. Open your Google account, example here, Google, and in the corner can you watch your your profile, okay? And then make a scroll, okay? And you can watch your password button, touch here, and maybe you can find here your Facebook password. I don't have password saved at here because this not is my personal email, okay? I use another email. In my personal email I have 100 password, but in this no, okay? Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I hope that this information works for you, okay? And sorry for my bad English again. Have a good day and see you later.